Good afternoon YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Mark and my channel name is Mark Pownall, British Bushcraft and Survival. But without further ado, I'd like to give a big warm welcome to all my subscribers and all my old subscribers. Hope everyone's doing okay in these uncertain times, but stick with the channel. We're going to make a brew today outside with the BCB metal mug, the heavy cover lid, the base cooker, an nalgene water bottle and a small brew kit. So stick with the channel. So here we have the base cooking system for the Crusader cup. You put Fire Dragon gel in the bottom. There's a good look at it. I'm going to lay that down on the ground. Put that down there like that. There's the heavy cover lid. It does weigh a bit, but it's bomb proof. It's not going to fail, and it's a good little survival cooking pot lid. Now down here we have the Fire Dragon gel from BCB. I'll just turn it round so you can see it properly. Fire Dragon gel, and basically why I'm using this for is obviously because of the COVID-19. You can actually use the gel as a hand sanitizer before you start cooking. So if you're traveling from location to location, and obviously you've got to use public transport, before you cook your tea or a brew, you can sanitize your hands, and I'll show you how to do this in a minute. We have got some BCB stormproof matches. It's actually raining outside at the minute. There's the cooker, and this was original issue 2006. I got this, so it's getting on a bit. And there's the crow's foot stamp. It's military issue, this one. There's the NSN number. So that's the cup. Then I've got a nalgene, a water bottle. We have a knife, fork and spoon set. I've had that case made for the cooking system, so let's put it together. So there we go, one-handed. So we've got the fuel going now. There were the matches. Put them in a crook of a tree because I haven't brought my tripod down. Now we're going to put the there we go. We'll put the lid on. Just move it over a tiny bit. So this tree's acting like a windbreak, and we'll come back to it when it's boiling. So let's recap on the video today. So brew kit, nalgene water bottle, the base cooker for the BCB Crusader mug, the mug itself, heavy cover lid, a handmade bag for the cooker itself, some BCB matches. So let's take a look at what the cooker's doing now. So as I said before, brew kit, nalgene water container, and there's the cooking system. Why I've chosen this is there's no working part, it's not going to fail. If you run out of cooking gel, you can use mats. If you run out of mats, you can use an open fire. So you've got multiple options. You can even use hexi blocks, Esbit fuel tabs. So let's see if the water's boiling. So there you go. Water's come to a boil. So if you were drinking out of a stream, that would be safe to drink. One-handed tea bags going in. Put the lid on the top. So I think it all comes down to where you position the stove. If there's a lot of wind, it's not going to boil as quick. As you can see there, it's still going strong. I'm going to take it off the heat. And there you go. So guys, that's the end of the video today. Please subscribe to my channel and send any comments. So I will see you on the next video. So everyone take care, be safe and take care. Bye now, bye.